If you've ever wondered whether you actually need protein powder, especially if you're working on strength, injury, recovery, or overall health, you are not alone. As a physical therapist and someone who trains daily, I get this question all the time. Today, I am breaking down who truly benefits from protein powder, how much protein your body really needs, why some powders help and why others cause digestive issues, how to choose a clean, safe option that actually supports your goals. And I'll tell you the one thing that most people get wrong about protein supplementation. Protein is essential for muscle repair, tissue healing, hormone production, nervous system health, and metabolic function. Your body cannot store protein, meaning you need consistent intake throughout the day. Many adults, especially women, fall short of the recommended range, which is usually 0.7 to 0.1 gram per pound of lean body weight. Food should always come first. But most people don't eat enough protein, not because they don't want to, but it can be really inconvenient and time-consuming and hard to hit those targets when life is really busy. So that's where a high-quality protein powder can help, not as a replacement food, but as a tool to fill the gaps. Before we go further, I want to take a moment to thank Transparent Labs for partnering with me on this video and explain why I chose to work with them. Again, as someone who trains regularly and works closely with people healing their bodies, I'm very picky about supplements. Most protein powders are loaded with artificial sweeteners, gums, fillers, dyes, yucky stuff that do more harm than good. That's why I genuinely was excited to collaborate with Transparent Labs. They have grass-fed whey protein, and it checks all my boxes. No artificial sweeteners, no dyes or fillers, just a handful of clean, natural ingredients. It has 28 grams of high-quality, easily absorbable protein from 100% grass-fed, pasture-raised cows. Made from pure whey isolate, not low-quality blends or concentrates, which makes it way easier to digest and more bioavailable. Every batch is third-party tested and informed choice certified, so you know exactly what you are putting into your body, which of course is very important. On a personal note, I finally feel like I found a protein powder that aligns with my values and taste flippin' awesome. My whole family actually loves it. I absolutely love the dark chocolate flavor. That's the one that I currently have been using. And it blends really smoothly. It tastes clean, no digestive issues. And it has 14 natural flavors, delicious flavors. I've tried almost all of them. So you can rotate and not get bored with those flavors. If you'd like to try it, the link is in my description. For a limited time, Transparent Labs is offering a free protein starter kit with any subscription, plus 10% off automatically when you use my link or the QR code that's listed. So thank you again to Transparent Labs for supporting content focused on healing, strength, and evidence-based wellness. So you might benefit from supplementing if you are recovering from an injury or over age 40, just because natural muscle loss starts to accelerate, have goals related to strength, stability, or endurance, have a limited appetite, you're struggling to hit your targets, experience slow recovery or muscle soreness, are in a trauma recovery phase where metabolism, healing, and muscle maintenance are impaired. These are the groups that often see real improvements in energy, strength, and recovery when they support their protein intake. So when you are choosing a protein powder, I really recommend no artificial sweeteners, no gums, dyes, or fillers, yucky stuff, transparency in ingredients, third-party testing, a whey isolate as long as it's tolerated for easier digestion, or if none of those work, then the clean plant-based option if you're dairy-free. But this is exactly why I use Transparent Labs, because they meet all of these standards without any compromise, which again is super important to me. Most people end up needing more protein than they think that they do. So here's some general guidelines. If you're sedentary, it's about 0.5 grams per pound. Active is 0.7 to 1 gram per pound. With strength goals and injury recover, 0.8 to 1 gram per pound. And if you're over 50, aim towards that higher end. Remember, spacing your protein evenly throughout the day improves absorption and recovery. So if you've been looking for a clean, gentle, high-quality protein powder that supports strength, recovery, and overall wellness, Transparent Labs is one that I definitely feel comfortable recommending. If you want to try it, again, I'll leave a link below so you can check ingredients, flavors, pricing for yourself. If you want more videos on building strength, reducing pain, and healing from the inside out, make sure to subscribe and take good care of yourself today.